Next up, Chemist's whereabouts for Crown. In this we need to tag 3 enemies in the Mazrah radiation zone with a Recon Drone. They don't even need to be the Chemist, which is good, especially if you get there very late game. We can equip the Recon Drone before we get into game in order to make life a lot easier, but of course if you don't have one, you can find one while in game or usually buy it from a shop while you're running around the map. Now, in order to actually get a Recon Drone, you can equip it as your special item. You can usually bring in an ammo pack and things like that. Instead, pick the Recon Drone and head into Mazrah. Alright, so for the Chemist's whereabouts for Crown, we need to tag 3 enemies in the Mazrah radiation zone, which you can easily find by this yellow circle here. Obviously, there are a few different spawn locations for it on the map, but this is where it is for me. We need to get relatively close to it, at least you don't need to be into it, and we'll use our drone that we've brought with us. This should be easy enough. So first of all, you'll need to head all the way there with the drone in your inventory or one of your teammates' inventories. Alright, so you can already see the radiation zone here, quite intimidating. And when we're within spitting distance of it, we'll throw up our drone with X. You'll find the key to press on the far bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Okay, so here should be probably close enough. I'll go ahead and lie down and use my drone. Now we'll send it up and into the area. Now all we need to do is simply stare at someone until they're marked. So as you can see here, I'm staring at these people. 1, 2, 3, 4. They've been marked and the mission noise is playing in the background. Parking and exiting. There we go. Mission complete, Chemist's whereabouts. So thank you all for watching. My name is Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.